If you want to get best hair texturizer according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Garnier Fructis Style Texture. Garnier Fructis Style Texture is a hair styling product that claims to provide a flexible hold and add texture to your hair. As someone who has tried numerous hair styling products over the years, I must say that this one definitely stands out. First of all, the texture of the product itself is unique. It's a sort of creamy gel that's easy to distribute throughout your hair. The scent is also pleasant, a fruity aroma that isn't too overpowering. Once applied, the product definitely lives up to its claims of providing texture and hold. My hair has a tendency to fall flat, but with Garnier Fructis Style Texture, I was able to achieve a bit of volume and texture that lasted throughout the day. The hold was also flexible, meaning that my hair wasn't stiff or crunchy like it can be with some other styling products. One thing that I appreciated about this product is that it didn't leave any residue or buildup on my hair. Some other styling products can leave your hair feeling greasy or weighed down, but I didn't experience that with Garnier Fructis Style Texture. Overall, I would definitely recommend this product to anyone looking for a styling product that provides texture and hold without leaving any residue. It's affordable, effective, and smells great. What more could you ask for in a hairstyling product? Moving on to the next at number 2 with Goldwell Creative Texture Cream. Goldwell Creative Texture Cream is a hairstyling product that promises to add definition and texture to your hair. As someone who has naturally fine and straight hair, I was eager to give this product a try. The first thing I noticed about the product was its texture. It's a creamy consistency that's easy to apply evenly throughout your hair. The scent is also pleasant, a subtle and fresh aroma that's not too overwhelming. Once applied, I found that Goldwell Creative Texture Cream definitely helped to add some definition and texture to my hair. It gave my hair some much-needed body and helped to hold my style in place throughout the day. I appreciated that the hold was not too stiff or crunchy, which can be a problem with some other styling products. One of the things I liked about this product was that it didn't leave any residue or buildup on my hair. My hair felt clean and light, even after using it multiple times. Additionally, I found that a little bit of the product went a long way, so the tube lasted me quite a while. Overall, I was very satisfied with Goldwell Creative Texture Cream. It did exactly what it promised, added texture and definition to my hair without any negative side effects. If you're looking for a hair styling product that can help give your hair some extra oomph, I would definitely recommend giving this one a try. The number 3 position is held by SexyHair Texture Cream. SexyHair Texture Cream is a hair styling product that promises to add texture and definition to your hair, while also providing a medium hold. As someone who has naturally curly hair that can be difficult to manage, I was intrigued to give this product a try. First of all, the texture of the product itself is quite thick and creamy. It's easy to apply to your hair, and a little bit goes a long way. The scent is also pleasant, a light, fresh fragrance that's not overpowering. Once applied, I found that the SexyHair Texture Cream did help to add some definition and texture to my curls. It gave my hair a bit of extra volume and held my curls in place without making them look stiff or crunchy. Additionally, I appreciated that the product didn't leave any residue or buildup on my hair. One thing that impressed me about this product was how long-lasting it was. Even after a full day of running errands and going about my daily routine, my curls still looked defined and held in place. Overall, I would definitely recommend SexyHair Texture Cream to anyone looking for a hair styling product that can help add texture and definition to their hair. It's easy to apply, has a pleasant scent, and provides a long-lasting hold without any negative side effects. Next at number 4, we have Sebastian Texturizer. Sebastian Texturizer is a hair styling product that promises to add texture and definition to your hair, while also providing a flexible hold. As someone who has naturally wavy hair that can be difficult to manage, I was excited to give this product a try. The first thing I noticed about the product was its texture. It's a sort of liquid gel that's easy to apply to your hair. The scent is also pleasant, a fresh, clean fragrance that's not too overpowering. Once applied, I found that Sebastian Texturizer definitely helped to add some definition and texture to my waves. It gave my hair a bit of extra body and held my waves in place without making them look stiff or unnatural. Additionally, I appreciated that the product didn't leave any residue or buildup on my hair. One thing that impressed me about this product was its versatility. It can be used on both wet and dry hair, which makes it perfect for a variety of styling needs. I also found that a little bit of the product went a long way, so the bottle lasted me quite a while. Overall, I would definitely recommend Sebastian Texturizer to anyone looking for a hair styling product that can help add texture and definition to their hair. It's easy to apply, has a pleasant scent, and provides a flexible hold without any negative side effects. Whether you have wavy, curly, or straight hair, this product is definitely worth trying out. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Luster's Texturizer Curl Softener. Luster's Texturizer Curl Softener is a hair styling product designed to relax and soften curls while adding texture and volume. As someone with naturally curly hair, I was excited to try this product to see if it could help manage my curls. The application process was straightforward and the instructions were easy to follow. After leaving the product on for the recommended amount of time, I rinsed it out and styled my hair as usual. I was pleased to see that my curls had been relaxed and softened without losing their shape. The product had also added volume and texture to my hair, making it look fuller and more voluminous. I appreciated that Luster's Texturizer Curl Softener did not leave any residue or buildup on my hair. It also did not cause any irritation or discomfort during the application process, which was a concern of mine before trying the product. One downside I experienced with the product was that the effects were not long-lasting. After a day or two, my curls began to revert back to their natural state. This meant that I had to reapply the product more frequently than I would have liked. Overall, I would recommend Luster's Texturizer Curl Softener to anyone with curly hair looking for a product to help manage their curls. It effectively softens and relaxes curls while adding volume and texture. However, it may require more frequent applications to maintain the desired effect. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.